Hello guys, you are welcome once again to ZEALTECH Academy. Right now we are going to learn how to edit signature, how to remove signature background, how to remove the background from signature or removing signature from its background. As we all know that signature is one of the most important parts of every organization, meaning before you can send a vital document, an acknowledgeable document to any organization, there is need to append a signature without obstruction. Like if there is no signature appended on your document or some documents, they may not be acknowledged. And what type of documents? Documents such as proposal, project defending, and cover letters. Such documents need a wonderful signature in order for such documents to be acknowledged or accepted by that reputable organization. So for you to send a vital or acknowledgeable document to that reputable organization, there is need for you to append your signature. So how do you do that? There are ways of appending signature anyways. One, appending your signature through electronic signature machine, or you sign with your pen and paper. So if you are signing in with your pen and paper, then your signature must have a background. The paper or the sheet where you are signing in will serve as your background. So that is what you want to learn. How do we remove the background? If you are signing in with your pen and paper and you want to send an electronic document, so how do you remove the background from the signature? How do you remove the signature from its background? How do you extract it? How do you edit it? That is exactly what you want to learn. So right now, kindly follow me up and let's do this. Thank you. Alright, so just like I told you, the next thing to do now, as you can see CorelDraw, the next thing to do is to import the signature. The signature you have already signed in, so you need to import it down to CorelDraw. So this is CorelDraw 2017, so it is called CorelDraw X7. So X7 means 17. So this is CorelDraw version 17, and that is where we're going to do it right now. So the next thing to do now is to click on import. You can either press Control high to take you to import. You can either press Control high to take you to import, or you click on a file menu and click on import. The same dialog box will still appear, or better still, you can click on import icon on the standard toolbar. So I am, anywhere you follow, anywhere you do, anyone you do will give you the same stuff. So right now I'm going to select import icon. So I click on the import icon, then I will look for where the signature is being scanned to. So please take note, you must have scanned your signature into the system, or by any means send the signature signed on the paper to the computer system, to the system. So once you've done that, then go ahead and locate the folder where the picture was scanned to or was saved to, and that is exactly what I want to do now. So I'm going to locate mine. So I'm locating it from, I think I sent it to document. Oh no, I sent it to desktop. So, and that is exactly where I will find it. So right now, let's go ahead to desktop. So I've clicked on desktop, then I will look for the signature. So instead of me to instead of me to continue searching, what I will do is to press S. So since I use signature to save it, so I'm pressing S as the initial letter of what I use for saving it. So now this is the signature. I will bring the signature in now. So I click on import. As I click on import, then I will click and drag. Now I have the signature here. So as you can see, I have the signature. So the signature was signed twice. So the signature was what? Signed twice. So what I will do now, I will remove one. I only need one of them. So how do I do that? I will use shape 2 and select these two nodes node 1 here and node 2 here. So I will select the two nodes, then I will now drag it down. So to remove the signature, the first one, then I will only adjust this one so that I can remove the other one finally. But I'm still having some parts here. So in order to remove that one, I can shape it. I can simply double click and drag to remove. So that is removed. So let me bring it out here. Now I have this. So I now have only one of the signature now. So this one now, what I will do is to convert it to bitmap. So click on bitmap and convert to bitmap. So then when you click on bitmap and convert to bitmap, then just click on OK. I'm giving it a 300 resolution. Then you can leave it for RGB or CMYK, whichever way. Then make sure you select transparent background. It is very, very important. So when you are converting stuff and you don't want the background to be there, always make sure you convert it to you select the option transparency background or transparent background. So click on OK. Now that you have done that you have already converted to bitmap, so the next thing to do is to go back to bitmap and click on mode. So when you get to mode, click on black and white. So when you get to black and white, then this convert to bit or line art will show. So this dialog box will display. Then what the next thing to do, come to conversion method. So under conversion method, click on line art. Click there and choose line art. So once you choose line art, then adjust your threshold. Adjust the threshold. Sometimes it might be like this, so you may need to adjust it down here. So let me bring this one to middle for us to see clearly. Let me bring it to middle so you can see the lines. So you have to take note of the lines. So you have to take note of the lines. So adjust it. So now from here now is too much, and that is why that place is dark. So the next thing to do now is to reduce it. So I can leave it this way. I think it's okay by me. But when it's getting too much, it will be removing. So now make it more thicker. Make it more thicker. When you see it's getting too thicker, and that is why it's removing and that is why it's getting thicker until it's dark. But me, I just want it normal. So I don't want all this scattered stuff there, meaning that I still have to reduce it a bit. So now it's clean. So I think it's clean now. So now that it's clean, so click on OK. Then you have it this way. So as it is, the background is not yet removed. It's just that the background has changed to white. So how do you know? How will you know? Let me try to draw an object. As you can see, so I'm giving this object a color. For instance, I'll give it this color. Now let me bring the signature to the front. How? Shift page up. Once the signature is selected, press shift page up. Then the signature will come to the front. Now as you can see that the signature is still having white background. So meaning that the signature is not yet removed. So it was as if it's removed when it was at the background, when it was at the layout background. So when it was at the layout background, it was as if it's removed. It's simply because the white background of the signature is blending with the page layout background, which is white, and that is why it is not removed. So now you have to take note if it's really removed or not. How do you do that? Make sure you place it where you want to place it, or you place it on something or an object or a color to see the background coming out. All right. The next thing you are going to do now to finally remove the background is to locate your color box. So I have my color box here, where you see cancel or remove. I have my color box here where you see S or cancel or remove. So whichever one, you can use anyone there. You can use anyone. So just click, bam, so you can see the background is removed. So, or you can right click on color to choose another color for the signature. So when you right click on color, it will give you another color for the signature. But when you do the normal clicking, it will be giving it background color. But as for me, I don't want background color. I will click on the color box to remove the background color. Then I want the signature to either be black or white. So that is it. So it's either you turn the signature to be black or white. So like I told you, the background has been removed. So to remove the background, I said you should do the normal clicking, left clicking. So do the left clicking on the color box to remove the background. Then to apply color to the line, to apply line color to the signature. If you don't want the signature to be color black, then you can make it color white, and that is it. All right, so right now that you have finished editing the signature, that you have removed the background from the signature, you have separated the background from the signature, or you have separated the signature from its background, then you can start making use of it. You can now use it on your document, any document you want to forward, any electronic document you want to forward to that reputable organization. You can now make use of the signature and apply place it in your document. I told you the type of document you can place it on. You can place it in proposal or a project, depending, or a cover letter. So any of these documents, and at the same time, if this signature can be useful on ID card. So we want to either place a signature for the older signature. You may want to place older signature or authorized signature. So you see the same thing you're going to use. So make sure you sign in, you get your authorized signature, and also get the older signature. So you put the older signature at the appropriate position or where you want to put it, and put the also place the authorized signature where you want to place it. And so that is it. And please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Kindly subscribe to this channel, as it will be displaying on the screen in a short while. Don't forget to also click on the notification button and select all, so that you can always receive our videos or get notified anytime we post new videos. Thank you.